So the second part of this lesson for algebraic techniques stage 5.2 is adding and subtracting fractions with different denominators. So we're going to go through the process that you need for that. So you should be comfortable answering questions like this one. 9a over 7 take away 5a over 7. Same number on the bottom. When we have the same number on the bottom, we go 9a minus 5a on top. So we get 4a over 7 for this one. So you might not understand these examples if you don't understand question J there. These examples need to be copied into your notes book. And we're simplifying, that's the key word that we're looking for. So we have different numbers on the denominators now. So we've got 10 and 5, so tenths and fifths. So when we have different numbers on the bottom, we need a different process. So what I'm doing is, if I double 5, I get 10, which gives me the same number on the bottom. So we're looking for the same number on the bottom. So tenths and fifths, I change this to tenths, so I get 2x over 10. For this fraction, I actually change this fraction. So to do that, how many 5s are in 10? 2. That's why I'm timesing by 2. So 7x over 10 stays the same. X over 5 becomes 2x over 10. X times 2. Then we have 7x and 2x is 9x over 10. And that's our answer. For the second example, we actually have to times both numbers by another number. And the easiest way to do this is to times the 3 by 5 and the 5 by 3. So 3 times 5 is 15. And 5 times 3 is 15. What we do to the bottom, we must do to the top. So for this fraction, 2x over 3 times this part by 5 and the 3 by 5, which gives us 10x over 15. And then for 4x over 5, we times by 3, here, which gives us 12x here. The final part of this problem is to go 10x plus 12x is 22x over 15. Once you understand these two examples, you can move on to these questions here. Once you've done these problems, you can do some maths-based work, and then I want you to do some reflection. So what can you do to remember today's work? These problems here, some people remember this process as a smiley face. So 2x gets times by 5, 3 gets times by 4x, and 3 and 5 get times together, which kind of gives you a smiley face. Okay, or you can think of your own way to remember it. That's what I want you to do, actually think about your thinking.